Okay. Closed on Wednesdays, today's Wednesday. Okay, well, it's okay. This is just where we're going to be starting at. You can read a little bit about these guys right here. Hello's on Wednesdays. Looks like there's people on it. Today's a Wednesday though. But we're gonna go down. There's Beco das Caixas, and there's another Beco down there. I think we're gonna do the Caixas one. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna head down Beco das Caixas. Before we do, this is kind of a little museum, I believe. And this is kind of the street that we're on. Okay, that's how they do this. They take out the trash. These are permanently always here. And they're actually moving one of those right now. There's a bunch of trash on the other side of it too. So yeah, I guess basically they just pick it up and then they just bring it wherever they go, dump it all out. Then they come back and park it again. So that's kind of interesting. I hadn't really seen that before. So now they leave that there, and then they're free to go from there. So that's really cool. And now they're gonna throw all that trash there, because I guess people put their trash there while it was gone. So pretty interesting. Now they're gonna go somewhere else and pick up a different one. Cool. Okay, let's go down Beco. What's that? Okay, this one is going to be Beco das Caixas. So we're going to go down this little alley and just kind of, it's kind of short. So we're going to go check it all out to see what else is going around here. Got a little traffic issue. That one wants to go, but this one has to move it. Okay. Let's go down our street here. So we got this little tiny alley. There's Grand Lisboa way up there. A lot of streets have Grand Lisboa in their view. It's kind of interesting. Let me see here. Got fruits and vegetables. Grapes. Shoes, firecracker stuff. Keep on going. More stuff, so I think this must be for the temples and offerings and things like that. And then got a little alley in here. Let's just look. Okay, more. I have filmed on this one before, but usually I film the other way because I remember this little temple right there. And all this fruit as well. Just a box of oranges that covers up a fan, I guess. Pretty cool as well. Food in the alley. This is kind of cool. So you got like a little store right there, and you also have a little store right here as well. Got another store here. We're going to come out to the end in a minute. More vegetables. I think this one is I've ate here before. Stuff like that, pork chop and rice, things like that. Okay, cool looking little place. Okay, we're gonna come up to the end of this one. So this is the end of our alley right here. And that's it. So now we're kind of at this main road right here. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty colorful actually. Got a lot of beautiful colors right in there, especially. So yeah, you got these, basically got these kind of main roads. So you saw the other one and on both sides. And we basically just went down that little alley. So it's pretty cool. Check out this motorcycle. That one's a kind of an interesting looking one right there, right? Gonna park in that alley. And then that's our alley that we just did right there. And we'll end it right there.